Okay, this is a milk can that I picked up at an estate sale last week. I'm going to restore it. I'm going to show you like how to restore it with sandpaper like this that you can get for like $5 from the store. Like this is if you don't have like a sandblaster or a sander. This is like an easy way to do it. So there's a lot of rust on it right now, but that'll be taken off pretty easily. Okay. So let me pull my seat up here, because I'd rather sit down instead of stand up. And then, like, I always cut it in like small pieces like that, and I tear it in half. You just got to give it a lot of elbow grease. Okay, you shut. Oh, you can walk up shut. And eventually, if you keep doing it, you'll start seeing bare metal, which is what you want. It's all smooth, so the primer will stick. And so that's how you do it. Alright, stop it. And it should take a second.